Okay guys, we're going to do tea for one. Just boiled, we'll pop that back on there. Move that over there. One Thai tea bag in there, one sugar cube in there. Some people have said they'd like to see stuff like this, so there you go. This will be the beverage that comes with me today. We will let that brew. Okay, so it's been a minute. Let it brew, let's see. It's my first time using this. This was a gift off a colleague from work. Oh, look at that. Okay. We'll put the milk in and I'll see you for the shave.
Hi guys, how's it going? Hey, welcome back, the Wednesday shave, and right on cue, the sun has come out to make my face glow even more. Howie, did you like that little introduction? There you go. Thank you to Jordan. I know Jordan sometimes watches his videos. Jordan was my manager for about 3 years and he moved away to a place across the road, and just the other day he came, he said, John, I've got something for you, and he gifted me that little teapot set tea for one, so thank you to him. Anyway, you didn't come here for the tea, did you? Have you seen the thumbnail? I know, I think you'll enjoy it guys, I think you'll enjoy it. Okay, we'll crack on with this. Yaqi Melon in blue, DLC, diamond-like coating, or some people say diamond-like carbon. Either way, it's a reference to the coating on the razor. We'll put this Gillette Platinum, that was very kindly gifted to me. Franz Rickmanspool, thank you Franz, over there in the Netherlands. We'll get that in there, we will drop head of the razor. Oh, let's get it the way up so that you can see the writing. It's laser etched, but only on one side. Can you see it? No, you can. You may be. And we'll get that on there. We'll get that. We'll get that. I'll tell you what, today, guys, do you ever get those days when really just in a daze, I'll tell you after, just completely and utterly in a daze. Right, we'll get that in the, should we put it in the super soaker? We'll put it in the John Shave super soaker for now. It's through me that, at not having a brush, although I have got a brush. I'll explain a little bit later. Cheers, look, how that is. Anybody know what that is? So we've got Fox's Golden Crunch Cream Biscuits. There you go. It's got to be a flyer today, guys. I'm expecting Amazon. Cheers again. I'm not long in from work at all. Okay, you've seen the razor, seen the blade, there's the balm. Love the stuff we're talking about this in work today. Aqua Velva, Williams Aqua Velva. There you go, absolutely beautiful. Look what I found online just last week. Williams Aqua Velva Ice Blue Shaving Gel. Now the Puritans might fall out with me because of this, but I thought, come on, let's give it a go. So I ordered it for the princely sum of £6. £6 for a can of goop. Now guys, let me tell you something. My curiosity got the better of me this morning and I put a little bit of this on my hot little handies before I went to work. Look, look at that. That's it, right? It smells fantastic. Does it smell like Aqua Velva? It's in the range, but look at that. Check this out, guys. Look, it just kept going and going and going. Actually, look, as if to prove me a lie, it looked better than that this morning. But it's very slick. Oh, John, see, what did I tell you about the day? So, here's what we're going to do. You know, it does smell like Aqua Velva now the water's hit it. I seriously put some in my hands this morning, guys, and just rubbed it. My hands must have been damp. And it exploded into a lather. It really, really did. I don't know if it was, maybe I'd shaken it. I don't know. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do one pass with the hands. The other pass, what I thought we'd do is we'll throw some in there. We'll put a squirt in there and then we'll get a brush on it and see what happens. Eh? You know, I'm always pushing that envelope. Oh, look, too much, that's, I'll tell you. That's, look at this. Do you know what, guys? Oh, it smells lovely. And it's thirsty. It's thirsty. This is very, very thick. I wasn't gonna use this. Oh, let's wet this. Look at this. That's with a bit of water on. Look at that, guys. That's what happened this morning. It just kept coming and coming and coming. I wasn't going to use this, but I thought, you know what? It seems to work for Barbasol Brian. So I thought, right, I'll have a go. So I took a shower. I did my hair. Oh. I love Sinatra and I know he sits there like just waiting by the computer and the YouTube and the phone, just to keep checking his phone. Just, God, it's not uploaded yet. Waiting for me to upload. So, hi Brian. Right, okay. You can't really argue with those results, can you? That is the lights coming through. Like that is, it's really slick as well, guys. So I thought the drops and the antibiotics are working. Only took them one day. The ear feels better already. Oh, guys, what did I do in work today? There's two breweries about 30 miles apart. One we go to regularly. One we've been to once in like 5 years. And my boss said to me, John, I need to take that pallet there to the brewery. I said, yeah, no problem. Loaded it up. Got the paperwork. Went and did my vending machines and serviced and filled them and so on. Oh, a couple of deliveries left. Jumped on the motorway. You know what's coming, don't you, guys? Jumped on the motorway. 30 miles down the motorway. Jumped out at the other end. I said, I've got this pallet for you. Oh, it was for the one. It was for the one up the road. And then, of course, jumped back on the motorway, and every obstruction you can imagine was on that motorway. Oh, look at this, guys. It smells great. It lathered like a champ. You might think £6. They do it for £1 a tin down in our supermarket, but do you know what? It is Williams. It is Aqua Velva-ish. I have got a YouTube channel. Well, it did okay. Right, okay, second part then. What should we do? Come on. Right, I'll show you now. Well, that's what I've got. Okay, and we'll put that there. I've got a synthetic brush, courtesy of Christopher Thompson. This was, thank you, Christopher. There you go. Let's see what happens. I'm not expecting anything, but hey, come on. It's different. It's a bit of entertainment. Shall we dip the tips? Come on. How far are you going to take this, John? Come on. We'll dip the tips. Well, if nothing else, look at this. We're getting there, guys. We're doing. Do you know what? If you spent a good 5 minutes with this, let's see what we've got. Well, here we go. Okay, so we've got canned goop, a brush. You've seen it for yourself, guys. No editing, no trickery. This is how it's. Well, and I've got to be honest, guys, it actually feels fantastic. It feels very, very smooth and very, very slick. I know there may be Puritans out there. I can't believe he's using canned goop. But you try finding something different twice a week, every week for 5 years. Right, okay. Hey, it did okay, didn't it? Look. Do you know what, guys? I'm liking it. I'm liking it. It feels fantastic. It smells fantastic. And it's mega, mega slick. This is alright. Do you know, if you were in a bind, I'll be honest, guys, I'd certainly use this again. There is a tendency within the wet shaving community to bash canned goop. But I've got to be honest with you, Barbasol, oh, Barbasol is so good. Maybe that's it, maybe there's a trend. Maybe we'll do once a month canned goop review. Well, I'll tell you what, guys, you've seen these results for yourself. Well, camera doesn't lie. And just that outside, little outside edge there, up, under there, and there, that way. Just to get that little bit under the snow. And the slickness, it seems to be accumulating. Okay, have we got another pass worth? Let's have a look. It's alright, you know, guys. It really, really is. Oh, yeah. Now, I don't know where you get this from. I got it off a UK website. Only took a couple of days to come now. I've seen it on Amazon, but on Amazon it's something like £6.30 for the can and £6.30 for delivery. I think I got free. My delivery was £2 or £3. If that. Here we go. But I don't know how many shaves you would get out of it, guys. But I didn't use a lot, and we got 3 passes, you know. £6. £6, yeah. I'd certainly use it again. And it's nice. I like Williams stuff. I've got some other Williams aftershave in there, and I did have the Williams tube cream, but I used it so infrequently it went solid. I had to throw it away. There you go. That's it. Get off. There isn't a lot left, guys, look. It's doing okay, isn't it? And here we are, lather mittens. What we're gonna say? Can't argue with that, can you, guys? No, I know it's canned goop, but you have to. there isn't a lot left. You have to take it for what it is. I mean, there's no point comparing this to John from PAA, say. But it smells beautiful. It lathers like a champion. It's very, very slick. And it's only £6. Yeah. So if you're out there and you've got a YouTube channel, give it a try. See what you think. There you go. I shall do the Lancashire lean in a moment. But guys, you can't argue with that. Although I'm sure some people will. Let's have a look. Well, do you know what, guys? My skin actually feels quite nice as well. It's okay. What can I say? It's okay. Here we go. Big old bottle of Aqua Velva. Get that on there. If anybody's asking, that Aqua Velva, that's a European Aqua Velva. I bought it at a supermarket in Spain, kept the glass bottle and decanted the American Aqua Velva into it. Do you know what, guys? Do you know what? That's actually pretty close to that scent. Now, yeah, obviously nowhere near as strong, but it's okay, you know? It's okay. And then Johnny's prized possession. Why on earth did they stop making this? Haven't got much of this. Well, that's about 80%. Use sparingly. And that's us, guys. That's hurry up and suck your teeth. The Amazon guys coming. Quick sticks, in and out shave. Sorry, wrong time. We did okay, didn't we? We did okay. Cheers, everybody. Oh, you can't beat a cup of tea. Okay, there you go. And that's it. Thanks for sticking with me, guys. Hope you appreciate something a bit different. Hey, come on, a bit of fun, a bit of budget, a bit of nice things. It was okay, wasn't it? If I can find the link to where I bought that, I'll post it underneath. But if you're outside the UK, it might be worthwhile checking Amazon just to see how much it is. And it's £6 and £6 postage. So even that, it would be £12 a can on Amazon. It's not great, but if you wanted to try it, hey, we don't smoke, do we? So there, yeah, that's it. Okay, look after yourselves, guys, and remember, be the change you wish to see in the world. It's time to stand up and be counted. Be strong. St. George, be proud of your country. Be proud of where you come from. Do you know, it doesn't matter if your country is anywhere, any country, you as a citizen of that country should be proud of your country and its flag. We've all got good spots and we've all got dark spots on our history across the world. But do you know what? We're all citizens of Earth, aren't we? So, John, you're waffling. Look after yourselves and each other, and I will see you on Saturday for the Saturday shave. Bye.